Hello everyone. Today we are here to talk about Angry IP Scanner. It's a network scanning utility. It's something I've been using for almost 10 years now when I'm setting up home automation devices or for my work setting up security cameras or installing, IP based doorbells or automation or anything in there. Why would you want to use an IP scanner is to check there are no conflicts with the new device or new IP address you're giving to your device, because if there's already something with the same address, then there will be a conflict and it might not work. So let me walk you through the installation for this tool. It's pretty easy and it should be fairly quick to set up. So going to your browser and type Angry IP Scanner, go to the web page, and once you have the download link. I'm running Windows, so I'm installing the Windows installer. It's a 7 MB file and it's pretty quick to install, right? So you can use it to scan not just IP addresses, but also it gives you information on the device name, host name, ports that are open, bunch of other stuff. So as we run it, I'll walk you through some of that. Click next. It barely takes a few seconds. You can copy it on a USB drive and run it on any network. Maybe your grandparents called in and said, hey, something's wrong, something's not working on the network, and this would be a great place to start. There you go. As soon as you load it up, it fills up, it auto detects your network and fills up the range by itself. But you are free to edit it. You can set up, scanning only for two ports or whatever you need. But let's keep it for default. And you can also check what you want to check in there. So it checks by ping, MAC address, MAC vendor, ports, and host name. Now, if you need more information on this, all these commands are explained on the web page, and it's for more advanced users who want to see maybe packet loss information as well, which is good to see the network delay and gives an idea. Let's put it in there, and let's set preferences where we want to only see hosts which are alive and responding to pings, and the ports we want to check. So again, it's for more advanced users, but for us right now, let's keep the list short to only the one IP address which are currently in use, which is what alive host means. Click OK, press start, and you're good to go. There you go. It's already started detecting the IP addresses that are currently being used on my network. As you can see, port now IP address 1, 81, 87. So everything that it detects, it's going to list in there. So anything which is not listed is an IP address that we can use and assign to a new device on the network without it causing any conflicts, any problems. And also, as you can see here, it's not just giving you the IP address, it's also explaining to you what the MAC address and vendor is and what the name of the device is. So this makes it a lot easy for you to understand and check what devices on your network. So as you can see, it has found 19 devices on my network right now. And if you don't recognize some of these, maybe your neighbors hopping onto your Wi-Fi and using your internet. So yeah, that's a different discussion altogether. But for now, let's see that I've got my Google Homes, my Nest thermostat. It even found my vacuum cleaner, the Roomba. So yeah, it gives me information as to network latency delays, which devices are slow to respond, and that can also help with troubleshooting on your network, right? So, and you can of course, if you export this list, and you can even copy paste it and all that. And for example, I have my printer here. You can directly right click on it, say, and go to its web page, and it will automatically take you to its home page where it shows the ink level, status, etc. So you can do that. So you're setting up a new camera, you can right click on it and take to its web browser page, see the video. And so that's why it's a very good tool to start off with, and it helps study your network, see what IP addresses are available, and pretty much what's happening in there, right? So it's pretty easy. That's all I wanted to talk about. I hope you liked it. So coming back, if you have any comments, do reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. And yeah, if you like it, do tell others about it. And thanks for tuning in. Have a good day. Bye.